Welcome back to Home Lab Networks. My name is AJ, and in this video today we're going to be installing Portainer. Portainer is just a web interface for Docker, pretty much, projects. So once I download your iOS you're going to use, jump back to your Proxmox, make sure you upload it to your local disk, upload the image, and then we'll create the virtual machine. Create VM, name this one Portainer. And this also will have Docker installed as well, so you can run Docker commands straight from this command line if you wanted to. And a lot of this will just be default. So we're gonna find TV. So all default, yeah. Fine. This is it depends what you're actually going to use this for, but for this example, I will just only give it 20 gigabyte of disk size. But if you're going to be actually running containers and X, Y, Z, put the appropriate disk space you need. Of course, give it 2. Memory, you can give it 4, but for my experience, 2 gigabyte is fine for what I use it for. You might need more. Then finish. Docker installed. It says IP address. That's the address you're going to use to SSH into the server, which we'll do right now. So I use PuTTY. You can use whatever you like, but PuTTY is just very simple and basic and does the job. So 192.168.1.124. Enter. Accept this because we trust ourselves. Too long to type out, and it makes our life a lot easier. So for Docker install, all the software properties for Docker. So I'll have these linked in the description. I'll have all the commands in the description below. So just copy paste from there. So that one, enter number 1. So software properties. Look, this can take some time, so just be patient, but it's all worth it in the end. Alright, so the next command is adding the docker gp gkey, which is a curl command. Okay, beautiful. Now we're going to add the app repository for Docker. Done. And then run a apt update to update repositories. Or packages up to date. And then this is the command that actually installs Docker. So once this is done, you can run Docker commands from this machine. And then we're going to run the Docker, we're going to run the Portainer container. Don't be scared if it says unable to find an image, that's normal. It will find it and then start pulling it and then extracting the software. Is on the port 9000. So we're going to put our machine's IP address into the address bar with port 9000, and theoretically it should work. So we can exit out of this for now. Go new tab. 192.168.1.124:9. And here we go, Portainer up and running in your home lab. And here we go, now you've got Portainer installed. So there you go, guys. Now I will have other videos on how to use this and run containers, but that's how to install Portainer in your home lab, guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next home lab video.